Hello and welcome to Senior Health Today. I'm Dr. Michael Henry, and tonight we're diving into something most doctors never even mention. A simple, natural remedy that's been quietly sitting in your spice cabinet for years. Clove water at night. Now, you may know cloves as the little brown spice you put in baked hams or apple pies. But when you soak them in water and drink it before bed, something remarkable happens inside your body. From improving digestion, to strengthening your immune system, to even helping with joint pain and blood sugar control, clove water is packed with benefits you've probably never heard about. And in this video, I'll walk you through 15 surprising science-backed reasons why drinking clove water at night can support your health after 60, and why it might just become your new favorite evening habit. So, if you're looking for natural ways to sleep better, reduce inflammation, protect your heart, and even keep your brain sharp, stay tuned because you won't want to miss what's coming. Before we get started, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, drop a comment to let me know where you're watching from, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss important health tips designed especially for seniors right here in the US. All right, let's get started. Benefit number 1, supports better digestion overnight. Let's start with one of the most common issues seniors face: digestive discomfort at night. As we age, our stomach produces less digestive acid, which means food can sit heavier and take longer to break down. That's why many people over 60 complain of bloating, gas, constipation, or even acid reflux. Clove water is rich in eugenol, a compound that stimulates digestive enzymes. When you drink clove water before bed, it helps your stomach process food more efficiently and prevents the heavy belly feeling that can disturb your sleep. Imagine this. Instead of tossing and turning at 2 a.m. because of acid reflux, you've got a calm stomach, your food has digested smoothly, and you're resting peacefully. Practical tip. Take 3 to 4 cloves, soak them in warm water for 6 to 8 hours, or overnight, and drink that water before bed. Seniors who do this regularly report fewer stomach problems and a much calmer night's sleep. Benefit number 2, reduces inflammation and joint pain. Now let's talk about something that touches almost every household in America: arthritis and chronic joint pain. Studies show that by age 65, nearly 1 in 2 adults in the US has arthritis or some form of joint stiffness. And while painkillers can help, they come with risks, especially long-term use of NSAIDs like ibuprofen. This is where clove water shines. Eugenol, the same compound that helps digestion, is also a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. It works a lot like aspirin, reducing pain, swelling, and stiffness. If you've ever woken up in the morning with stiff knees or aching hips, drinking clove water at night can help your joints recover while you sleep. Many seniors find they move more freely in the morning without that rusty hinge feeling in their legs. Doctors note, of course, clove water isn't a replacement for prescribed arthritis medication, but it can be a safe, natural addition that supports your body's healing process. Benefit number 3, balances blood sugar levels. This next one is especially important for seniors in the US, where diabetes and prediabetes affect more than 100 million adults. Cloves are packed with compounds that improve how your body uses insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar. Drinking clove water at night helps prevent dangerous spikes or crashes in your glucose levels while you sleep. For seniors who often enjoy a sweet snack in the evening, like cookies, cake, or even a scoop of ice cream, clove water may help buffer that sugar load and keep your blood sugar more stable overnight. Practical tip. If you're monitoring your blood sugar at home, try measuring before and after a week of nightly clove water. Many seniors notice steadier numbers, especially in their fasting glucose readings. Benefit number 4, boosts immune system defense. Now let's move into something we all care about: immunity. As we age, our immune system naturally slows down. That's why older adults are more vulnerable to colds, flu, pneumonia, and even COVID-19 complications. Cloves are one of the richest natural sources of antioxidants, which fight free radicals that damage cells. By drinking clove water regularly, you're essentially giving your immune system a nightly shield. Think about it like this. While you sleep, your body is busy repairing itself. Clove water adds an extra layer of protection, helping your white blood cells fight bacteria, viruses, and inflammation. Senior relevance. For older Americans who love being around grandkids but worry about catching something, clove water is a natural way to boost defenses without relying on extra supplements. Benefit number 5, promotes deeper, restful sleep. And here's one seniors often ask me about: sleep. Insomnia affects nearly half of Americans over 60. Between bathroom trips at night, restless legs, and racing thoughts, many seniors struggle to get more than 4 to 5 hours of quality rest. Clove water contains mild natural compounds that have a calming, muscle-relaxing effect. It lowers tension in your nervous system, making it easier to drift off and stay asleep. Unlike prescription sleep pills, which can be addictive or leave you groggy in the morning, clove water helps your body's natural sleep cycle. That means you wake up feeling refreshed, not drugged. Practical tip: pair clove water with a simple nighttime routine, dim lights, no late-night TV, and a quiet room. Together, these steps can dramatically improve your sleep quality. Benefit number 6, protects heart health. Heart disease is still the #1 killer in the United States, especially for people over 60. Many seniors already take medications for high blood pressure or cholesterol, but lifestyle and diet remain critical. Clove water helps protect your heart in 2 ways. It naturally reduces bad cholesterol LDL buildup in the arteries. It improves blood circulation, making it easier for your heart to pump. Think of it as giving your heart an oil change. It keeps things running smoothly and prevents clogs that can lead to heart attacks or strokes. Doctor's note: this doesn't replace heart medicine, but it's a safe and natural way to support your cardiovascular system every night. Benefit number 7, freshens breath and protects oral health. This one may surprise you. Seniors often experience dry mouth due to medications, which can lead to bad breath, cavities, and gum disease. Clove water has strong antibacterial properties that fight the germs in your mouth and throat. Drinking it at night reduces bad breath and helps keep your gums and teeth healthier. Many cultures actually chew on whole cloves as a natural mouth freshener. In fact, clove oil has been used in dentistry for centuries to reduce toothache pain. Practical tip: after drinking clove water, swish it gently in your mouth before swallowing. It doubles as a natural mouth rinse. Benefit number 8, supports weight management. Now, I know weight loss is not always the top priority after 60, but managing weight is still important for keeping blood pressure, blood sugar, and joint health in check. Cloves can boost metabolism and help your body burn fat more efficiently. Drinking clove water before bed means your body is still working overnight to process calories and avoid fat storage. Senior example: think of it like this. If you've had a slightly heavier dinner, clove water helps your body handle it better, rather than letting it all turn into belly fat while you sleep. Benefit number 9, strengthens bones and muscles. Bone loss is a serious issue in older age. Nearly 1 in 4 women over 65 in the U.S. suffers from osteoporosis, and men aren't immune either. Clove water provides manganese, a trace mineral essential for bone strength and collagen production. Together, these support not just your bones, but also your muscles and joints. Doctor's note: drinking clove water at night helps your body rebuild and repair bone tissue while you sleep, an excellent natural complement to calcium and vitamin D. Benefit number 10, improves liver health and detoxification. Your liver is your body's natural filter, cleaning out toxins from food, medications, and the environment. But as we age, the liver can become sluggish. Clove compounds improve liver enzyme function, helping your body detoxify more efficiently. This is especially important for seniors who may be on multiple prescriptions. Practical tip: a nightly glass of clove water supports your liver so it doesn't get overworked, especially if you've had a heavier meal or enjoy a glass of wine with dinner. Benefit number 11, eases respiratory problems. For many seniors, nighttime coughing, wheezing, or shortness of breath can interrupt sleep. This is especially true for those with asthma, COPD, or seasonal allergies. Clove water has natural antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects that soothe the respiratory tract. It can help loosen mucus, calm irritation, and make breathing easier at night. Practical tip: if you often wake up coughing, Try sipping warm clove water before bed. It may give your lungs the relief they need. Benefit number 12, improves skin and slows aging. Now this one may surprise you. Skin problems, like dryness, age spots, and wrinkles, are very common after 60. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants that fight oxidative stress, one of the biggest culprits behind aging skin. Drinking clove water at night supports your skin's repair process while you sleep. Over time, seniors often notice brighter skin, fewer blemishes, and less dryness. Some even say they get a little of that healthy glow back. Senior example, if you've ever looked in the mirror in the morning and felt your skin looks tired, clove water might help refresh it from the inside out. Benefit number 13, sharpens memory and brain function. This one is very close to my heart as a neurologist. Cognitive decline is a major concern for seniors in the U.S., whether it's mild forgetfulness or more serious conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's. Clove water improves circulation to the brain and provides antioxidants that protect nerve cells from damage. Research even suggests cloves may help improve memory, focus, and mental clarity. Practical tip: make clove water part of your nighttime brain care routine, along with reading, puzzles, or journaling. Keeping both the body and brain active is key. Benefit number 14, natural pain relief for headaches and toothaches. Here's a traditional use that modern science supports. Cloves have long been used as a natural painkiller. If you've ever had a toothache, you may have heard of dentists using clove oil. Drinking clove water provides a gentler, whole-body effect. It may reduce tension headaches, minor aches, or lingering tooth discomfort. Senior example, instead of reaching straight for extra pills, try clove water first. It may ease the pain naturally. Benefit number 15, extends longevity and vitality. Finally, the big one, longevity. Cloves are one of the most antioxidant-rich spices on earth. Antioxidants are your body's frontline defense against aging, chronic disease, and cellular damage. By reducing inflammation, stabilizing blood sugar, protecting the heart, supporting the brain, and strengthening bones, clove water ties all these benefits together into one nightly ritual that promotes a longer, healthier, and more vibrant life. Doctor's note: there's no magic pill for living longer, but small, consistent habits like drinking clove water at night can add up over time to make a real difference. So there you have it, 15 powerful, surprising benefits of drinking clove water at night. From better digestion to stronger bones, sharper memory, and even healthier skin, this simple spice can support your body in ways most doctors never mention. Remember, it's not about making huge changes all at once. It's about building small, sustainable habits that keep you healthy, strong, and independent well into your golden years. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment below, and tell me if you're going to try clove water tonight. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Health Today for more practical, science-backed tips to keep you thriving after 60. Until next time, this is Dr. Michael Henry reminding you, your health is your greatest wealth. Take care of it daily, and it will take care of you.